friends, welcome back to Just Survive to Thrive. My name is Karen and I am back in the kitchen and I'm going to be sharing another Instant Pot recipe with you today that is not only delicious and healthy, but it is absolutely gorgeous as well. So I am bringing you Instant Pot still cut oats that are rainbow inspired, and I'm doing it in two ways. And the reason I'm doing it in two ways is one, it's more adult friendly, and then there's a second option that I think will encourage kids to eat and also probably have fun in preparing this as well. This would be a great project or something fun to have them in the kitchen to do as well. So this recipe is really easy, it's delicious, it's healthy, and I'm gonna share this recipe with you. This has also proven to be a family favorite. My husband and my daughter, they're not big oatmeal fans. They loved this recipe. And I myself, I love oatmeal. But again, they don't particularly like it. So when they liked it, I knew that I had a keeper. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show you how easy and how delicious. And yeah, come join us in the kitchen today while we try Instant Pot still cut oats. It's so easy to make, so delicious, and I'm going to show you how to do it rainbow inspired with full of vibrant color.